We're gonna be doing the Sprite challenge, guys. So we're gonna be attempting to drink all of this without burping. So you can't burp. You have to drink the whole thing without burping.
You didn't say nothing about burping.
You can't burp. You ready?
Oh, I just put mine upside down.
Careful, it might spill.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh no, it's fine.
It's not fair.
I had to do the same
Damn
thing.
it. This just takes time.
There, you're good.
Nah, I got it.
Oh, nope. Careful.
Oh, you good, bro.
You can even see it coming out.
Oh, it's dripping.
It's alright, it's alright. Come on.
That shit's dripping.
There. Okay, we gotta drink at the same time. Same time, ready?
No.
Okay, ready?
One.
Without burping.
Okay.
Until the end. Get ready, go.
That shit's fine. Oh, I don't think I can drink you.
Without burping?
Oh, that was good.
Oh, God.
Nope, I can't.
It's gonna come.
Are you I couldn't do it.
Yeah, wait, come on.
You got this, baby.
I don't know. It's coming.
You got this. Look at how much you drunk. Oh, you got me.
Oh my God. Is it? Is it? It's hurting my stomach. Well, I won that one. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, it so hurts.